One ghost in the tree.
Sitting in the tree or sitting on the tree? Sitting on the tree.
Sitting
On the
on
tree.
One boy
Very good.
in the road. You do Pushpa movie? No,
Me?
ma'am. Shikawatto. Lesson syndicate.
You are telling story or telling Pushpa to story?
Pushpa story.
Okay, tell Pushpa to story only then.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Ghost story this.
Ghost story. Then why are you telling syndicate to Pushpa to? Abhinav, tell the story.
My brother see.
Your brother is seeing you. Let him see. You tell. He doesn't know anything. You only tell. You tell me the story.
Ma'am, done one story.
Done na? One ghost is there sitting on the tree. Done story. Over. Oh my God, that is the story. Abhinav, tell the complete story. One ghost is there. Afterwards, what happened?
Done one story.
Arey, you didn't complete the story. I'll come and beat you now. Okay, tell Pushpa to story.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, Pushpa.
Tell no, please. I didn't watch the movie. Tell Pushpa to story. Tell.
Pushpa movie. Tagyadala.
Not dialogue. I want the story.
Story.
You tell like Pushpa is there. He will do business. What is Pushpa's wife's name? You tell.
Pushpa's name.
I told you to prepare for a story. You didn't do the homework. Very bad. I won't give the gift. You tell ghost story. What happened to the ghost sitting on the tree? Then what happened?
Ma'am, I'm ghost story. No story.
Which story?
Manjulika.
Manjulika story you want to tell? Okay, tell. Tell Manjulika, Anjulika story you tell. Some story you tell.
Manjulika is dancing Bharatanatyam. Anjulika, one room.
Anjulika is in one room.
Door in the open. That's coming.
Who is coming?
Anjulika.
If door is open, Manjulika will come.
Ma'am, గోడని ఏమంటారు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో?
Wall.
Wall? Okay.
Wall is broken. Who broke the wall? Who broke the wall? Manjulika broke the wall.
Door open. Manjulika.
Then
is coming.
Guruji came. Then what happened? Guruji came. Tell, I'm waiting here. Tell, no problem. I'm understanding your story. Very good. You're telling nicely. Good boy. Tell. Mm. Come on, Abhinav.
Manjulika is dancing Bharatanatyam.
You said already.
Anjulika. Raju.
King.
Raj is king. Manjulika, dance is nice. మ్యామ్ చాకుని ఏమంటారు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో?
Knife.
నైఫ్.
Knife. This much big one, big one.
No, small.
Small one. Okay, knife only. If it is big, it is sword.
Small.
Okay. Will you tell me tomorrow properly? Manjulika story.
Okay.
Shall we go for Telugu English exercise?
Okay.
You're telling something. What? Tell. Abhinav, what happened? Are you okay? Okay. నేను హోంవర్క్ చేస్తాను. I will do my homework. I will do homework. Will అనాలి. Okay, you have to tell will. Okay? నేను అన్నం తింటాను.
I will.
I will. I will. I will eat.
I will eat.
I will eat rice.
I will eat rice.
నేను ఆడుకుంటాను.
I will play.
నేను వాటర్ తాగుతాను.
I will thirsty.
I will thirsty. Thirsty అంటే దాహం.
I will drink the water.
Not drinks the water. I will drink water.
I drink water.
I will drink water. I will. Abhinav.
I will. I will.
I will drink water.
I will drink the water.
నేను స్కూల్కి వెళ్తాను.
I will go to school.
Very good. నేను సైకిల్ తొక్కుతాను.
I will do cycling.
Super. Annaya is telling.
No.
Where is MS?
That's room.
That true. Not telling. Where is mummy?
Yes.
There. Is she watching you?
No.
What is mummy doing?
Call.
Mummy is on call. Mummy is on call. Say it.
Mummy is the call.
Mummy is on call.
Mummy is on call.
అన్నయ్య ఉన్నాడు కదా. You're telling lies, no? Whom are you talking with? Who is sitting beside you?
Annaya other room.
Then whom
See,
are you
ma'am,
talking with? Whom are you talking with?
my I will.
I will. Who is helping you? No one is helping you?
No.
No. Okay. నేను కూర్చుంటాను.
I will sitting.
No sitting. I will sit.
I will sit.
నేను పడుకుంటాను.
I will sleep.
Super. Very good.
I will.
I will. ఏదైనా చేస్తాను అంటే I will. Okay? Okay. I will అనొచ్చు. I want to sleep. I will sleep. నేను పడుకోను.
I will not sleep.
Super. I will not sleep. Otherwise, I don't want to sleep. I don't want to sleep అనొచ్చు. I will not sleep. Okay. నేను అరవను.
I will not laughing.
Shout.
I will not shout.
నేను నవ్వుతాను.
I will smile.
Smile or laugh. Okay? I will laugh.
I will laugh.
నేను ఏడవను.
I will not cry.
Super. Today, no, your answers are good. But story is not good. Tomorrow you have to tell me Anjalika story, full story. Okay? What?
I will send my storytelling.
I will? What? I will tell cinema story. I will tell cinema story.
Cinema. No story, cinema.
I will tell cinema story.
Will tell cinema story.
Which cinema story will you tell?
Anjalika.
Anjalika. What is that? Anjalika? I didn't watch. Where did you watch?
Bhool Bhulaiya 3.
Bhool Bhulaiya 3 na. You are watching Bollywood movies. Whoa. You watch Hindi movies? Which movies you watch? Hindi or Telugu or English? Hindi. You like Hindi movies?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I will not tell my mommy. I will and say.
Very good. ఇంకా బాగా నేర్చుకోవాలి. You should learn well, okay? Are you speaking in English with MS? No. You have to speak in English, okay? I'll ask mummy. Ma'am, మాట్లాడుతున్నాడా MS తో ఇంగ్లీష్ లో?
ట్రై చేస్తున్నాడు మ్యామ్.
తప్పైనా సరే MS ని నవ్వొద్దని చెప్పండి.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
వాడు నవ్వితే వీడు ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాడు. Okay, then shall we meet tomorrow, Abhinav? Come prepared the story and come. Yes? Tell Abhinav. Yes? Come on.
This book story?
Which book? You have read that book? Pat at the Zoo. You have read 2 lines, right? Tomorrow, next page, okay? Okay. Okay, Abhinav. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Good night.